Welcome back again to Domestic Guide. Today, let's look at the difference between a screw bulb and a pin bulb. So with me here are two bulbs. The one I'm holding is a pin bulb. It has two terminals, this and this. Then it has got this hook. So one of these is where the pin either for live or neutral connect. If live is here, then neutral is there. Let me bring in the holder and then you see. So this is a bulb holder for a pin. Are you seeing the pins inside? Those two pins. One is for live and one is for neutral. Let's open and I'll show you briefly how it looks like inside. So this is how the inside looks of a pin bulb holder. Then this is where the bulb locks. The 2 points behind is where we connect the wires, neutral, live. The screws are this. The pin bulb has got the two hooks at the side, opposite side. We have one here and the other here. And now when you look at the holder also, it has this space and the other space. So when you're putting it in, we make sure this hook corresponds to this space here, like this, like that. Then you use some force to push it inside, then you turn it clockwise. So now when it locks, the pin of the bulb and the pin of the holder are touching each other, and now they connect behind here. One live, the other neutral. So that's briefly about the pin bulb. When you're opening, you just push and clockwise. When you're putting it back, you have to put this head first back in. Then you bring in this one. After you bring in your bulb, you put, then you are done. So that's briefly about the pin bulb. So now this is a screw bulb. You can see the threads. That's why we call it a screw. Why we call it a screw? Because of the threads. In that when you're putting it in its holder, you screw. It will be like you are screwing, like that, until, that's why we call it screw. It is like the way you see screw, you are opening a screw. So now on a screw bulb, we connect, the live goes here, then the neutral goes here on the body. So this is how the screw bulb appears. No matter the size or the shape, but as long as it is a screw bulb, this is how it appears. It has one connection here and the other here. Now let's look at the screw bulb holder. Now this is how the screw bulb holder looks inside. We have this connection here and then this one. So the live connects to this middle one here, and then the neutral connects to this outer part here. So when you the bulb, so our live here connects to this. Then our neutral, which is here, connect to the surface. Now let's move open inside and see how the connection of the wire is done. So for this case, for this holder, we just open this and clockwise. And this is how it looks inside. They have two provisions here. There is this and this, then there is this and this. So we push in our wire from here, and then the other one from here. So for the case of the live, which is here, it connects to the middle. So we shall push in our live wire, and then you connect it from here. That's if you are connecting. Then the neutral will push it in from here and then you connect here. After connecting it, if you are installing it or replacing this other hole here, this one here, this is where we screw it on the wall or on the roof using a screw to hold it up there. Then after you bring back the cover, you just turn it clockwise. Now after you will bring in your screw bulb, which is this, then you also screw it until you feel it's not moving anymore. You know it has reached the terminals, like that. So that is briefly about screw bulb.